Road runs long under heavy rain. Hands hold tight through all the strain. I still hear your voice inside, even with the radio